Add 4 cup potatoes to the oil. The first step is to fry all the potatoes. Fry for a few minutes. And just a short time later, our potatoes are ready. There is no need to over fry. Add 2 chopped onions and fry together with the potatoes. The aim here is to brown those onions to release a ton of flavor and aromas. You'll be surprised by the smell. Set aside for a few moments. In a bowl, add 6 eggs, some salt, black pepper. Beat the eggs well and mix. Stir those potatoes constantly so they don't burn. And after a few minutes, our ingredients are ready. Let's turn off the heat and remove the potatoes and the onions from the pan. We want to drain these to get rid of that excess oil. We're going to take these potatoes and put them right in our egg mixture. Do this very carefully so you don't burn yourself. Mix the potatoes well with the eggs. After mixing well, it is time to fry again. In a pan with olive oil, add all the egg mixture. We want to make sure we spread it well all over the pan, just like this. Let's put on a cover, and we're going to leave it to cook over low heat for about 10 minutes. And in no time at all, our eggs are well cooked. They're looking great. Now, with the help of a plate, I'm just going to turn them over just like this. Look at that. The eggs are golden brown. I'm just going to put this back in the pan for a few more minutes. Let's cover and leave this for about 4 more minutes. And our eggs are ready. Let's remove the eggs from the pan with the help of a plate.